Hello parents, and welcome to Spring Open House. My name is Mrs. Barker, and I am your student's teacher for Principles of Biomedical Science this semester. In this video, I'm going to go over just some important announcements and reminders for the semester, and then also give you my contact information. So first off, I want to begin by talking about the COLTS Owning Learning Together expectations. Last semester, our school put together some expectations for teachers, for students, and for parents, and I just want to review those really quickly with you. So first off, my expectations. The expectations for me are that, number one, I will have my Canvas course standardized, meaning there's specific things that I have to have in my course that are in all Canvas courses on our campus. Number two, for me to be responsive when it comes to parent messages, parent emails, parent reminds, things like that. I do my best to respond as quickly as I can. If it's during the school day, I normally respond within about 30 minutes. At the latest, you would get your response the next school day. I do try my hardest to respond to those messages as quickly as I can and answer any questions that you have. And then number three, I am expected to send weekly progress reports, which I do on Friday afternoons, to give you a good idea of what your student's grade is in my class and kind of how they're doing. Next, let's go over student expectations. So your student is expected to come to all of my sync times and have their camera on and interact with me. That way I can assess them and make sure they're understanding what we're learning and things like that. They also are expected to ask for help right away when they need it. If they don't understand a lesson, if they don't understand how to do an assignment, how to turn in an assignment, anything like that, it's important for your student to ask me right away. Send me a Canvas message, send me a Remind message, email me, however they want to do it. Stay after during our Zoom time and ask their questions then. If they don't ask for help right away, then it's really easy for them to fall behind during this virtual learning. So please encourage your students to ask questions when they have questions. And then number three, they are expected to check Canvas, their email, and Teams. They should be checking Canvas every single day because they have classes every day and they have assignments that will be posted for them. They should be checking their email every day, every other day, something like that, for important messages. And then lastly, they should be checking Teams at least once a week so they can see their grade, see if they have any missing assignments, stuff like that. Lastly, I want to go over the parent expectations, just things that we at Arlington High expect of you. Expect you to daily check in with your child, make sure that you know what's going on, make sure that they know what's going on. Number two, check Teams grades weekly, which I make super easy because I do send them to you every Friday in those progress reports. That's their team grades, and then you can look deeper if you want to see each individual assignment and the grades they got on those. And then lastly, reach out to me right away if you have any questions or any concerns, if you need anything from me. Again, like I said, I try my best to respond to those as quickly as I can and get you the help that you need. There's also a couple of announcements that I want to go over for this semester. The first and most important being there is an EOC at the end of the year for this class. The class that they're taking, Principles of Biomedical Science, is part of a program developed by a company called Project Lead the Way, and they do have an EOC that is taken by all students across the nation that are in this class. It does have to be taken in person, so I'll get you some more information as soon as we have a date and things like that so that you know that that's coming up. If your student is able to come to campus and take that EOC, it is really important for them to do so. And then number two, I just want to clarify and reiterate that I am still offering credit redemption for any 6 weeks that your student didn't pass. If they didn't pass a 6 weeks in the first semester, and so they failed this semester, there are redemption modules on my Canvas course. If they failed second 6 weeks, they can go do the module for second 6 weeks. And then once it's done, I will grade change them, and they will get a passing grade for that report card grade. If it's this semester, then all they have to do is go back and complete the work that they didn't do for that 6 weeks. They go back, they do the work, I will put in a grade change for them. Again, I'm going to leave this open until the end of the year to give as much time as possible for those students who didn't pass for the semester to fix it. That way they get credit for the course and they don't have to try to get this credit somewhere else next year. Lastly, I want to go ahead and give you my contact information. This is my email, trayleigh@aisd.net. Again, feel free to email me at any time, and I will respond to you as quickly as I can during school hours. And then I am available to talk on the phone or to Zoom in the mornings from 7:35 to 9:15 and in the afternoons from 3 to 4. There is a QR code on your screen that you can scan, and that'll take you to a little Google form to let me know when the best time to contact you would be and how you'd like to be contacted, email or phone. If you would like to talk to me, please fill out that form. That way I know how to contact you and what's the best time and the best day and things like that. There's also a place in there for you to let me know what you would like to talk about. That way I can prepare a little bit and kind of get stuff together before we meet. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day, and as always, if you need me, please let me know, send me a message, and I will get back to you. Thanks.